prepositions. So, in, at, on, to, upon, of. So, today we can discuss some of the sentences related to these prepositions, that is in, at, on, to, upon and of. So, first sentence is the bus reached Trivandrum at 7:15. So, at is the preposition that is used. So, at is the preposition used at small towns, time or certain quality, and before me, etc. we are using the preposition at. So, here 7:15 p.m. is the time. So, before time we are using the preposition at. Next one is she comes here in the morning. So, in the case of in the morning, in the afternoon or in the evening, these are the cases where in preposition is used. So, we got independence on 15th August 1947. So, 15th August 1947 is a specified days and date. So, it is a specified days and date and also 1 year. So, in these cases we are using the preposition on. Next one is I was born in May. So, May is a month. So, before the month and year we are using the preposition in. So, from the next sentence we understand that. So, 1950 is an year. So, before 1950 and before May we are using the preposition in. So, but for a specified date and day, dates and date we are using the preposition on. Next one is she comes here on Sundays. So, in the case of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sundays, in these cases we are using on preposition. But in the case of in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, so that cases we are using in preposition is used. So, next one is my sister works in a bank. So, a bank is a place. So, for in the case of a place or for in the case of big cities, so in a bank or in a school or in a bed, in that cases we are using in preposition is used. My father is employed on the railway. So, here on is used in the case of on the railway. So, railway is used to express some surface or place. In that cases we are using on preposition is used. So, next one is Balu is good at English. So, that is used for a specify or certain quality. So, Balu's quality is good at English. So, that is a quality. In that cases we are using at preposition. Next one is he is excellent at his work. So, it is used to for a specified certain qualities. In that cases we are using at preposition is used. Next one is if the book is on the table. So, on is used to express a surface of something. So, the surface of the table is expressed by the preposition on. So, book is on the table. So, she brought apples at rupees 20 per kilo. So, it is used to for a certain quality and also quantity. So, here for per kilo it is rate is given, that is rupees 20. In that cases we are using the preposition at. And also the strength of the class is fixed at 30. So, at is a 30 is a quantity. In that cases we are using at. And he was driving at 60 miles. So, here it is used at 60 miles. So, it is used before the quantity 60. The book belongs to Anthony. So, here to is used to specify for a person or a thing we are using to. So, the book belongs to Anthony. Anthony is a people or a person. In that cases we are using to. Once upon a time. So, once upon a time. Here upon is the preposition that is used being supported by another. So, once upon a time there was a beautiful princess. It is up to us to find the answer. So it is up to us to find the answer. So that is to is related with or for a people or thing we are used this to. The cat fell off the cuff. That is of is used in the case belong to or relating to. That is cat is related to cough. In that cases we are connecting these two words cat and cuff. In that cases we are using the of preposition is used. Nancy walked to the mall. So to the mall is to is used for the direction or place. In these cases we are using to preposition is used. The movie is from 7 to 9. So it is a time that is 7 to 9. That is the direction. That is 7 to 9. In that cases we are using the to preposition. He is interested in molecular biology. So molecular biology is some of the place or something. In that cases we are using in preposition is used. She is jealous of my success. That is of is related to or belonging to or connecting with something. In that cases we are of is used. Some among us were talented in hunting. So in hunting, in before that we are using in. Are you afraid of the dark? So of is used or belonging or relating to or connecting with. That is are you afraid of the dark? That is a connecting word. In that cases we are using of. It's nice to know you. So for a person or for a thing. In that cases we are using to. He was proud of himself for not doing that. So that is of is used or belonging to or connecting with. In that cases of is used. It's good to see you again. That is to is used to for a people or a thing we are using to. I was unkind of you, take his toy away. That is of is belonging to or relating to or connecting with. In that cases we are using of. It fell upon the ground. So that is upon is used, that is being above or being supported by another. In that cases we are using the preposition upon. What are you afraid of? That is what are you afraid of? That is we already say that is belong to or relating to something. In we get using the of preposition. Same cases is we already said. Are you afraid of the dark? She fell down her knees. That is belonging to or being supported by another. That is she fell down upon her knees. That is being supported by another. Shadows were fluttering upon the studio floor. That is connecting with or that is being supported by another or being above. In these cases we are using upon preposition is used. My whole future depend upon the decision of the manager. That is my whole future depend upon the decision of the manager. So that is being supported by another. My future is supported by the manager. In that cases we are using upon. Barry has joined the army immediately upon leaving the school. So that is also being supported. Barry is supported by the school and army. So after he joined the army immediately after leaving the upon leaving the school. I owe to my success. I owe all my success to you. So to is used for the person or people or thing. In that cases we are using to. The movie was released in April 2020. So the movie was released in April 2020. So April is a month and year. Before month and year we already said we are using in. And on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, in that cases we are using on. And for April or for a specified date and days we are using on preposition is used. These are the some of the cases where the prepositions in, at, on, to, upon and of are used.